Most of us are under tropical storm warnings through tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. Our northeastern communities, high wind warnings, and then it looks like Webster and Stewart County under wind advisories. So all of us are going to be impacted directly by Tropical Storm Nicole. It has been downgraded, made landfall near Vero Beach this morning, and is now driving through the north central peninsula of Florida. So our weather is going to steadily go downhill. We've had some gusty winds all morning long. They're only going to increase. Dry times from morning to midday here in Albany, but for our southern communities, we'll start to see the rain moving in as early as morning, and you can see temperatures kind of hanging out in mid-60s. The big story is going to be the wind sustained 25, 30 miles per hour to the north-northeast, and the gust will be much higher. It is a first alert weather day, as you can see over my head. So here are the wind gusts, up to 48 in Moultrie around 1 o'clock. And then look at this, we'll see wind gusts near 45 by 5 p.m. here in Albany. That's tropical storm force, and you'll continue to see that through the evening, and then they'll start to relax as we go into the overnight. So here comes the rain, again, as early as the morning hours for Valdosta and Homerville, showing up around 10 a.m. and then continue to traverse towards the Highway 82 corridor right around midday. We're getting into some heavy rainfall here in Valdosta, continuing through Tifton, and then we'll see that those bands continue to move across the area. This looks like a pretty nasty one coming across Thomasville around 4 to 5 o'clock, and again, that will only increase and maximize this evening. Tropical storm conditions are expected. Temperatures in the upper 60s. Winds will be gusting 45 to 50 miles per hour at that time. For the overnight, rain and wind remain 64, 80% chance of rain. Winds will be sustained 15 to 25, gusting to as high as 35. So there is Nicole's, and its track across north central Florida may reemerge over Appalachia Bay for a short period. It's not expected to intensify whatsoever, but it will still do its work across our area heading into the evening and overnight, and eventually transition to a tropical depression as we go into the mid-morning hours on Friday, Veterans Day. Improving weather Veterans Day. We may actually see some sunshine peek out, and the winds will relax. Here comes a cold front. This cold front will bring in some of the chilliest weather so far this season. Saturday actually looks pretty good. It's Sunday that will really feel that chill across the region. Your forecast for Veterans Day: morning rain, 60% chance, breezy, 64 to 72, and then Saturday mostly sunny, 57 to 74. Sunday much cooler, 40 to 59. Monday we start off with some frost, and it will be cool to end, 63. Very latest on today in Georgia, 5 to 7 a.m. We'll see you then.